Yeah, no, it makes me want to try building something that's not a set, build
Yeah.
something on my own. But I feel like I don't. Do you have any recommendations? Because I don't really have the space for, you know, 10 million Legos or whatever it is, So, like, how would I even get what I need?
Well, I mean, there's always just you can buy boxes of regular Lego bricks, pieces, just random pieces. You don't have to buy the sets. You generally have to buy them online, like from Lego.com, but they
Hmm.
still sell just a big box of Lego. And that's my first set was just like a universal building set. It was just a bunch of bricks, some doors, some windows, some tires. That's what got me started. And they still sell sets like that, kits like
Okay.
that, where you just get a bunch of loose bricks and just let your imagination run wild. There's no wrong way to do it. There's no wrong way. There's no rules to Lego. I know some folks say, oh, there's specific building rules. I disagree completely. Of course, I disagree because one of the main rules that some people have is you cannot glue Lego.
Yeah.
Well, I glue Lego, and when you get in there and you're building, just again have fun and not worry about rules and not worry about how it looks. Just do your best. I mean, it took me years to get to this point. I had to figure out how I could take rectangular bricks and mold them, build them into a curve. I mean, that's one of those techniques that you have to learn how to take rectangle pieces, make them into what appears to be a curve. And that's why using Lego bricks works so well from my perspective is that you do see these sculptures and you see them up close and there are all these right angles and these squares and rectangles and then you back away and all those sharp corners blend into those curves and that's really the magic. That's why I love using Lego bricks. And kids often, come to me and say, "How can I be you? How can I have your job?" And I talk about patience as being one of the main things because these projects do not happen in a day. They take days, weeks, sometimes months. And then as you're working, you might have to chisel away hours, sometimes days worth of work. And it is heartbreaking because
Yeah.
you put all this time into it, you think it's going to be right, and you step back and it's like, oh, that doesn't work. And you have to just chisel that apart. And
Hey, thanks for watching this video. This is my dog, Murphy, and these are dog treats. Now I'll give Murphy one of these dog treats, and all you have to do is press the like button. Just press that little like button right down there at the bottom of this video, and this sweet, adorable, cute little puppy gets a treat. All thanks to you. Alright, you did it? Okay, I believe you if you said you did it. There you go, Murph. She got that treat because of you. Now, I'll eat one of these treats. And all you have to do is click that subscribe button right there, pointing to it. Just click that subscribe button, subscribe to Curiosityness with me, Travis DeRose. Get lots of good video, and I'll eat this treat. Alright, you did that too? That's not very good. Bro, not very good.